Tired of juggling bulky adapters and tangled cables? The 6-foot USB-C to DisplayPort video cable combines adapter and cable into one sleek solution, cutting down clutter and simplifying your workspace instantly. This cable offers a direct, male-to-male connection from your USB 3. One Type-C device straight to your DisplayPort 1. 2 monitor or display. That means no extra dongles, no fuss, just a clean, reliable link for your video needs. What sets this cable apart is its support for ultra-high definition resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz. Whether you're editing photos, streaming movies, or gaming, you'll see sharp, vibrant visuals that bring every detail to life. If you've been struggling with lag or blurry images on your external screen, this cable could be the fix. It ensures smooth, fluid video playback, eliminating those frustrating delays and stutters that kill your flow. Compatibility is broad and reliable. This USB-C to DisplayPort cable works seamlessly with Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3. One Type-C devices that support DisplayPort Alt mode. That includes popular models like the 2018 iPad Pro, MacBook Air, Chromebook, Surface Book, and more. No need to hunt for drivers or install software. This cable is truly plug and play. Just connect your device to the monitor, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for hot desking setups or home offices where quick, hassle-free connections matter. The cable's black design blends easily with your existing tech gear, maintaining a professional and tidy look on your desk. Plus, the 6-foot length offers flexibility without excess slack, giving you just the right amount of reach. Users have praised this cable for solving common problems. For example, MacBook Pro owners have noticed a significant reduction in mouse lag when connected to 4K external monitors, making work smoother and more efficient. One reviewer shared that after switching to this DisplayPort cable, their mouse movement finally matched the screen's responsiveness, transforming their workflow without breaking the bank. This cable doesn't just perform well, it's built to last. Durable connectors and quality materials ensure your connection stays stable over time, even with frequent plugging and unplugging. Whether you're a creative professional, remote worker, or casual user, upgrading to this USB-C to DisplayPort cable means better picture quality and a clutter-free workspace. If you're ready to experience clear, crisp visuals without the hassle of bulky adapters, this cable is worth a look. It streamlines your setup and delivers on performance without unnecessary extras. Imagine plugging in your device and instantly enjoying stunning 4K video on your external monitor, no lag, no complicated setup, just pure clarity and ease. The cable supports DisplayPort 1. 2 standards, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of displays and future-proofing your investment as technology advances. Its plug-and-play nature also makes it ideal for shared workspaces or conference rooms, where quick setup and teardown are essential. By choosing this cable, you're investing in a simple yet powerful upgrade that enhances your daily tech experience, making video output smoother and more reliable. If that's you, someone who values both convenience and quality, this USB-C to DisplayPort cable fits the bill perfectly. Try it when you're ready to cut down on clutter, improve your video quality, and enjoy a seamless connection that just works every time.